Hey guys, welcome to Feature Fiesta Wednesday call. So today we would be talking about quizzes, the newest feature that is launched this quarter. If you have any questions, please do unmute yourself and ask away your questions so we could talk about them as well. And yeah, we'll start. Okay, let's start. And I think everybody, yep, nobody else is joining, so we'll start. So there we go. And just give me one moment. Okay, so the newest feature that we have added in the sale process system is besides the form and survey, now you have another place that is called the quizzes. So this is the newest feature that we have added. And in here, basically, you can build a quiz that you can put up on your website. And when somebody fills out that quiz, it can calculate the result and can redirect a person to a specific page on a basis of that result. So whenever you are creating a new quiz, you will find that it has two different parts. Now, this one is the result template, and the other one is the questionnaire where we are supposed to put our questions. So just like forms and surveys, we can put up some of the predefined areas in here, like let's put up full name and let's put up phone number and also email. And let's put a single choice question in here. Now this one, we have to like customize this question. So we're gonna tell it what is the option one, where should that category be? So I'm telling it the category is going to overall. So this will impact the result. And if they select option 1, how much score they get. I'm telling it that they are getting 33. For option 2, they are getting 66. And for option 3, they are getting 100% score. And if they, okay, let's just save this. Let's not make this more complicated. Yep, this is it. And our option 1 is, okay, let me short label. Okay. Example. No, not this one. This one. Where do I change its name? Oh, this one. So, example question 1. All it's option 1 as 33%. One, 2 as 66%. And 3 as 100%. 100%. Okay. And let's call option 1 as 33%. Okay. This is very bad example, but I'm just gonna put it. It's gonna be interesting thing. So there you go. We have just created one question, and let's drag this question downwards. And now let's create a new page, and let's drag a yes, no question in here. And for yes, no, yes, that is also required, and this is also required. And let's go to its option. If they get yes, then they get 100%. If they answer no, they get 50%. And okay, let's see. Custom field name. Yes. Slash. Okay, and no is 50%. And yes is 100%. Okay. And it's a required question. That's good. And let's create another question. Now this one, I want it single drop-down question. So they can select one of the options. Let's make it required. And option 1 is, again, let's make it 4, so 25%. Okay. Oh. Option 1, 25. Let's make it option 1, 25%. Option 2 is going to be 50%. Option 3 is going to be 75%. And we have to add another option in here. So let's add that. Option 4 as 100%. These are the marks weightage in the result that would be displayed at the end of the questionnaire. Okay, let's just see. Do we have drop down? Okay, somebody is joining. Let's call this drop down on this single select. And let's save it. Okay, let's preview this questionnaire first, how it would look. So let's fill it. Okay, we call it like David, we email. Okay, david@david.com, some phone number, and we selected first question as 100%, the next question as 50%, and the third question again, I'm going to select 75%, and then now overall result, it's going to show up in here. So now let's edit the result template and what should happen. The business name, we can turn this on and off. It's the business name that is picked up from whatever you have set up in your business profile. It would display that. We have like, this is a demo count, so it's showing the demo count in here. Okay. And let's tell it, okay. We can add a picture in here for the menu, and we can logo width and logo height. We can set it up. That will be added right beside the name of the company. The default questionnaire, yes, that is what we will need. And let's see if we want to add any background color. Let's make it like a bit like this, for example. And let's save it. And now if we preview it, let's, there would be, yep, an email address this, and yeah, 100%, yes, and 100%, and we submit. Overall result is 50%. That means there is something wrong with our setting in somewhere. So let's first find out what is happening. Oh, score is 0. Why score is 0? This one is 100%. We didn't set up the score in here. We need to tell it what score it should get. And we didn't do it. Let's set it up. Okay, one. Let's see about this one. Let's see, 100% and 50%. This is correctly set. What about this one? Yep, they are set the correct one. So that is the reason it was giving us the wrong result, because we never told it what is the percentage of the correct answer. Sorry, I didn't fill up. Again, we have to do it. Okay, we have to type it. 9. Yep. Let's select 100 and let's. Okay, 49.38. Now, this is interesting. Not displaying the correct result. Why? Okay. In overall 100%. Give me a percent. No. Okay. What about this one? 67%. Why? Why it is 67%? I feel that. Okay, let's see what is happening with here. Let's go to the submissions and let's see. Oh, first, come on. Why it's not showing? Okay, let's go to the builder one more time. overall. What about this one? Yep, overall. What about this one? Overall, and this is correct. Why it's not letting me select the. Let's edit the template in here. Okay, it's the same as this and this. And let's select this one. Okay, thank you for taking the quiz. Show the overall quiz for medium. Overall quiz. For height, this is this. Go setting. Okay. Overall score. Show chair. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. What about this one? Oh, we have to. Where are we defining the categories? Let's see. This photo car miscellaneous. What is in the miscellaneous? Nope. Advanced setting. Okay. Input field. Yeah. This 55%. Okay. Where do I get to create? Category is fine. See, somebody says that. Okay. That is for us. Okay, this folder. Send the mail. Okay. I'm not. Do this. Okay, this is where we can create the category. So why this one is not adding properly? Okay, this question, option. Okay, what about this one? 100% and 50%. And what about this one? Hmm, this is really interesting. I'll turn this off. Doesn't show. Save. I am missing something. Okay, first thing is this question. I'm gonna turn it if I don't know why it's not giving us the correct result. It should, but somehow it is not. That is very disturbing. Overall score. Okay. Again, it's like 33%, 50%, 50% again. Still not correct. I thought we could finish the other part of the software as well, but it seems I'm somewhere in here stuck at one of the settings that I'm unable to handle. It should calculate the correct result. Okay, let's. Okay, let's try one more time. only 25%. That is disappointing. Okay, now that should take us to, I believe, hotmail.com. That is good. Because that is not live on our domain, so it's not opening the link. But here you see, because of the tracking, it is trying to link that to hotmail.com. So according to the result, which unfortunately I'm not seeing the correct result in here, it is bringing in here. By the way, I'll check on that, and you can add like these questions, and then this form that you have created in here, you can integrate it in your existing websites or within the funnel as an element, and you can use this to collect data from your customer to nurture them to become your client. Okay, it is peculiar. What is happening here? Okay, I didn't create any custom fields. This, collapse and score. Okay, I'm gonna add the score in here. Okay, let's see. Okay, take right to right. Redirection is working fine, but we don't know why the scoring is not working correctly. That never happened to me before. Even today, when I was checking this, or that what I have to talk about today, and this came up. You can, okay, now let me at least, let's go through the result template page. So in here, it can display your business name on the top, then percentage of the result, and with which class he's in. And on the basis of that, uh, you can actually redirect them to different links. So what we have done in here is if somebody gets like the low marks, they go to hotmail.com. If they get like the medium marks, they get to google.com. And if they get high marks, they are going to yahoo.com. So 3 different pages on the basis of result. Now this is going to be redirecting any customer to any page according to the result, but you can also put a logic in here. And let's say if I tell it, if somebody selects 33%, I want him not to answer this yes no question, and I want him to answer to drop down single list. Now let's see what happens. Yes, and let's fill it out. So it is taking to the right one. So this is the medium result, and it's in orange color. You can change the color of these things as well in here. And on the basis of the logic to the question, it can skip or go to any particular question again. Okay, so we can like change the colors in here, the font and everything can be done here. This is one of the method that you can use to collect the data. And once that form quiz is online, then you'll see all the submission in here. Because we were in the builder version and we were trying it through the preview mode, so it didn't put up any record in here. But when you're doing it on live account, yes, it will put the data and it will work flawlessly about that. Now, the other thing is how we can use this sale process and we can create our own QR code that can redirect them to a website or review form link. So let's call it that review form link is what we need, and we call that google.com, for example. Not a very good example, but still. Okay. Yes. And let's download this. That is also downloaded, and the QR code is now available. If somebody scans this code, can I actually take the preview in here? And okay, so that is good. Now this one is good. And this is our save. And let's try to scan this. Give me 1 second. Just give me a few seconds. I'm testing. So basically QR code is you can like put up the QR code on your website for a certain period of time. On the basis of the QR code, you can like give them a coupon or maybe tell them what they should take the next steps. It was not available in the previous quarter. These two options are new in the sale process software. One is the quizzes and the other one is QR code. Let's see what we have in the webinar. So these are the webinar funnels. They are also separated. So now we have 3 places where we can create different types of web pages. One is the funnel, the unidirectional path. Then there comes the website that has the multi-directional path. And the third one is webinar. So it's specifically for the webinar creation. Let's call it a live webinar. Yep. What is the webinar detail? How we can, which form they have to submit? What is the webinar link? And if there is any template that we want to use, if we save it, it will create the webinar event in here. And you can then, using the QR code from on your website, you can direct you to webinar funnel where they can register and go there. Okay. So that's basically it. Today's call is gonna be short because essentially we were only talking about the quizzes and a little bit about the QR code, a little bit about the webinar. So yeah, so that's basically it. So I'll see you guys next week, hopefully on Wednesday. Take care. Bye-bye.